All right, good morning. It is April 13th, 2021. It is Tuesday. And wow, this year is going by pretty quick, man. It's pretty nuts. We're already halfway through April. Actually, a month to. Oh, look at Figgy. Hi, Figgy. Did you want to get in? Did you want to get in the video? You can hang out right there. So we got kitties this morning. Like I said, this year is going by quickly. And this week is probably going to be busy. A lot of stuff this weekend. It was so crazy. But anyways, I should start out with I need a tuning this morning. Figgy, where you going? Hey, Figgy. She wants to hang out with me today. Yeah. That one felt good. Something like when we really focus and do that, oh my god, it feels really good. And actually, what I've been practicing is just to my hand. I'm trying to just keep it flat. So my finger, because my pinky sometimes turns this way, and that's not good. Because when you're doing that and you turn sideways, you can cut your finger on the string. It's pretty crazy. So I'm just making sure my fingers just go like that, and stay parallel or even with the board. I guess that's what my goal is. But it makes it sound good because you're like pressing, and you're pressing in the right spot, and you're actually articulating the note, which is really cool, which gives it more vibration, and it helps with the chakras, I believe. But anyways, that was awesome. Love tuning myself in the morning. It is Tuesday. It's pretty crazy. Feel like 71. Wow. Whew. Yeah, it's gonna be an interesting year. I can't wait to look back on this stuff. I do every once in a while, but it's just gonna be fun at the end of the year to actually check it out. But let's look at the weather this morning. Boo-da-boo. It's looking cloudy outside, and that's looks like what I got. Here they go. iPhone 61. When it's gray like that, it's funny. It's cloudy, and it looks like it's gonna be cloudy all day. Wow. All right. Wow. Look at the weekend. 70. Weekend might be nice too. Crazy. So I guess wait for the weekend. Cloudy days. I think it's spring. It's spring. And what, April is supposed to be showers. April showers. But I think we got our rain and winter weather already. But hey, who knows? It could change. Let's go over yesterday. Because I did a late vlog yesterday. Woke up early to get ready. Yeah, that's right. I had the 11 o'clock with flight. Had a hand-pan appointment with Sherry and Eric. They're coming back tomorrow. I washed the car, got acai bowls, and did my vlog. Actually, yesterday I did what song? Oh, I did "Sea of Love" by Phil Phillips. It's a good song. I like that song. It's a groovy, has a good rhythm. Once you get into it, it's really cool. And then, actually, yesterday I was just doing song sheets. I'm like, it's funny. I'm counting my song sheets right now. Da-da. And I got enough. Actually, I had to keep verifying that I do have enough, but I got it, and it's sitting right here. This is my pile of 11 that I've written. We're on day 72, so I need 28 more songs. So I have 11 right here that I'm going to do. And then I have some extras that I have to rewrite. So I have to rewrite How many songs? So 3, right? 11. So I need 16. So, but it's all right. I'm waiting to write some right here. I'll do these 3 today, and once I get all that rewritten, then I'm just off to the races. All I'm doing is doing songs. So that's the plan. And once the 100 days is over, it's going to be a really, I believe it's going to feel really good. It's a huge accomplishment for me to do something like that. 100 days, recording a song every day, and it's a different song. Oh my God, so fun. I usually only watch people do this stuff, and here I am doing it. It's pretty crazy. The hilarious part is I've been playing for over 5 years now, and I really haven't, like, I've recorded a couple songs, but I sucked. And now, like, I guess I'm okay, but now I'm doing like 100. I went from like not recording myself at all to recording myself every day, which is pretty gnarly, but it's cool. I like it. Last night had leftovers, chicken and pasta, which was good, and just hung out. I've been having a lot of computer work lately, so just been doing it, like just trying to gear up for that. I need to actually, one of the things I need to do is start cleaning up my hard drives, because I've been doing all these videos. I did it once already, but like every day I do a video, so it adds to my thing. What is this?
I don't know.
What is this?
I don't know. It was laying around.
Laying around where? I don't even know what it is.
In the bedroom, on our table. Is it Kaylee's?
I don't know what it is. I don't know.
You're in charge of tech.
I guess I'm in charge of tech.
You're in charge of the tech department right
Carrie's just throwing stuff at me, and I'm like, I don't even know what this is for.
You know better than I do.
Oh my gosh. But anyways, yeah, I guess I'll figure that out. I don't even know why was that on the desk. I think it's Kaylee's. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I'm the tech guy here. I forgot what I was talking about. Leftovers for dinner. I totally forgot what I was talking about. But anyways, yeah, today got some stuff to do. What do I got to do? Oh, yeah, there's just a lot of stuff, and my brain's going crazy. But the rest of this week, actually, I think I'm going to be doing a thing. I talked about it yesterday with Corey Keene. I want to do that. Today, I believe I have lessons with Hadley. That's going to be fun. And then, actually, this is like ukulele week, because I have lessons. Actually, tomorrow I have handpan lessons. Do I have 2 handpan lessons? No, just 1. Handpan lessons, uk social. Actually, tomorrow I'm going to be all day out, because I have an appointment tomorrow. Actually, yeah, I do. I think I have a bunch of handpan appointments this week too. Selling handpans. But yeah, there's 2 of those. And then Friday, yeah. Fun. Just busy. Carrie's been jobbing. We're starting a new business. We just did the contract the other day. LLC is done, I think. Submitted, so we have to wait for that. Usually takes...
it says we're taking a week.
Oh, wow. Interesting. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, you can just make up your own LLC, become a business, and then you get the benefits of being a business. That's pretty crazy. That's what we do. But now we have another business that we're going to do, which is pretty gnarly. Just creating businesses. I think it's really cool, because I think in the future for this business, we can create jobs for people. So that's awesome. Helping people make money. I like it, but it's coming soon. We'll see. It's like we're like on the fast track for this business. So yeah, I'm excited for that. And then I think we're going to be working on that, plus the ooks, plus training, plus selling handbands. Yeah, we do a lot. It's pretty fun. Got to live your life, man. Live your best life. Do a lot of stuff. reap the benefits hopefully in the future, which we are. And yeah, just live your best life, man. And then like I always talk about is just learning so much cool stuff. It's rad. Actually, what did I learn something the other day? Was it yesterday? Actually, during the weekend, I learned about like the hand pan and stuff like that over the live show. Dave was showing some stuff, and I was like, oh, I didn't know that. That's kind of cool. You just learn every day. And then yesterday, when I was at the appointment, yeah, just watching people, we just talked. Actually, it was kind of cool because like I was sharing with them the 4 principles of music, and they were just like, oh, that makes so much. I keep using that. I want to test it on people to see how they respond, but actually it's just getting good response. Everybody understands it, and they're like, oh yeah, that's a good way to look at music, and that really helps me. I was like, whoa, that's cool. So 4 principles of music, learn them. Rhythm, melody, harmony, and silence. But actually, it's going to be a short one today. It's Tuesday. I got to get to work and do some stuff. But yeah, we're just today, like I said, I have Hadley stuff, a bunch of computer work. I want to write some songs. Still got to do my thing. And then, yeah, that's it. But that's all I have for us to I want to check out birthdays. We have someone calling. Let's check out birthdays. Actually, I got a question. It's extra credit. Oh, that's next time. Update later. Alright. Let's look at birthdays today. Oh, wow. Long Beach Old School owns not Sharky's, Legends. John Morris also owns a restaurant down there. I forget what it's now. Boathouse? Is it the Boathouse now? Happy birthday, Matt Mendoza. Matt Mendoza, what's up, buddy? I haven't seen them in a while. Wow. He's a youngin' that I used to mentor and come out. Hopefully he's doing good. It's pretty cool. Oh, who's this? Alsuino Allosaurus. Wow. I have like international friends too that I have birthdays with. It's so crazy. I forget who they are though. Danica Harris. Actually, we used to do business with her. I think she's in Tennessee or something like that. Danica. Awesome. It's funny, they designed our, wow, a while back. This is a long time ago, almost freaking 10 years ago. And they designed our hot coffee cards. And it's hilarious because we ordered 1,000. I had 1,000. I still have them. I still have them left out. I'm still passing them out. It's pretty cool. It's how long cards last if you have 1,000. It's pretty cool. And I still hand them out. So thank you for that. Here's another one. I don't know who this is. Michele Angelo Gavato. Another Italian friend. Wow. Probably in Italy. Like on our travels, I meet a bunch of people and then book them and then forget. And it's kind of cool that we have like all these crazy people. Because like just traveling, you meet people in the airport. You meet people like everywhere. It's pretty cool. I love meeting people. And you just become friends. It's pretty cool. But and then you Facebook them, and then eventually, sometime in the future, you'll meet and have a good time. That's what it's all about. But yeah, that's all I have for me today. I can't think of anything else, but yeah, we just keep trucking along. This year is pretty cool. My 50th year going by. We're in April, springtime, not even halfway there yet, but it's going pretty. And that's all I have for us today. And like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. See you tomorrow.